Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you're a CEO with an active office and SecuroServe registration. This unlocks all sourcing. Next, start a buy. Purchase a vehicle warehouse or CEO special cargo because vehicle sales and cargo crates are prime money. Once done, spawn your Pegasus or owned vehicle and ready a Cargobob or armored transport. They speed up pickups and reduce losses. Make sure to avoid busy sessions early. Lower player counts mean fewer griefers and cleaner sales. You now focus on execution. Source vehicles or steal cargo crates, repeating until you have a full load. Use quick extraction routes and stealth where possible, because minimizing downtime and damage preserves profit. Once you're loaded, consolidate in a safe location. Get help from associates to speed delivery and distract attackers. Also, rotate CEO missions with VIP work to exploit cooldown windows. This keeps your income steady while you wait for sell missions to become available. Finish by choosing your sale wisely. Selling at distant buyers pays more but risks attacks. Local buyers are safer but lower payout. You should call an armored backup, invite friends as escorts, or switch to a low population session before initiating the sale. If attackers destroy goods, immediately cease the sale, file an in-game insurance claim if applicable, and reclaim lost stock. Report repeat offenders via Rockstar tools. One troubleshooting tip. If delivery glitches, restart the job from your office to reset the mission state.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.